Hello and welcome back to part 3 of this algorithms tutorial series. In this one we're going to be turning this linear search algorithm that we wrote, we're going to turn this into a utilities library, and this will be the first utility that's going to go in that library, and I just wanted to show you now before we get too many and it gets complicated. So we'll just get straight to that by creating a new file. This new file, I'm going to call it utilities. And this is just where I'm going to put all of the utilities.py. This is where I'm going to put all of the functions that we're going to use for this searching and sorting algorithms course. So first up, we want to create our doc string. So I'm just going to create the triple quotes. I'm going to say utility library for searching and sorting. The doc string is just going to keep me right so I can remember. And then because this is the first one, it's going to be fairly simple. So all we need to do is we're going to just copy this. So I'm going to Control X to take it out of there, go to utilities and Control V to paste it in. I didn't put a comment in here, so it's probably a good idea that I do that. So again, you put in your triple quotes just on the very first line of this function, and then you can tell the users or tell the person who's using it exactly what it is that this one does. So this one does linear search, which is kind of obvious. Takes a list as data and n the number to find, returns the amount of comparisons that it took. So just by doing this, and notice it's a triple quote, so we can do this in 2 lines. By doing this, it comes, I showed you in the last video, actually can come into the main program when you use it. So if we jump back to the main program right now, we see that the linear search, it doesn't know where that is. It can't use this, but I've already imported random on this occasion because we're using random.choice. But all we do is we can import utilities. Now, there's 2 ways of doing it. We can say import utilities, just like we've done with the random. But when we do that, just like we do with random, we're going to have to say utilities. So we're going to have to say utilities dot, and then we can find the linear search from the list. That's not a bad way of doing it. However, if I know the functions that I want to use, I can actually use it this way. So I can say from utilities, we can import just the ones that we need. So for different test programs, we're not going to need all of them. So I can actually say from utilities, import linear search. And then because I've done this, I'm able to just use it with its name down here inside of my code. So that makes this really neat. It makes our main program just contain the stuff that we actually need to do the test, and the utilities library in this video and in further videos, we're going to start building this so that it ends up being all that we need to do the analysis and comparison between different searching and sorting algorithms. Just if you notice here that this linear search, because I put the comment in, I can hover over and we can actually see that comment comes up, which helps you to remember what it is that this function takes and what it returns, and also it helps anyone else who might use your utilities functions in their own programs if you were to share this code.